Hello student, this is Dhanashree Lahore from CSMSS College of Polytechnic. Today we see the introduction of metrology. So let's see the introduction of metrology. Next, learning outcome means after watching this video, student can able to understand definition of metrology, objective of metrology and categories of metrology, means this is the classification of metrology. So let's see the definition of metrology. So the metrology is a science of measurement. Science means it includes weights and measures. It is also the process of determination of conformance to specification or technical requirements and development of standard. In other words, it is not limited to length. It is not limited to length measurement, but also concern with industrial inspection and its various techniques. So let's see the objective of metrology. The basic objective of a measurement is to provide the required accuracy at the minimum cost. Metrology has further objective. Let's discuss these objectives. First, the development of any industry largely depend on engineering metrology. See, in definition, the metrology is the science of measurement, means each and everything in industry is related with the measurement. So indirectly the all development of industry is depending on the engineering metrology, is the basic objective of metrology. Next, it plays important role in every field of investigation. See, in industry there are different fields, starting from need, design, development, production, quality, dispatch, sales. These all are the different fields, and these all different fields are depend on the type of measurement or metrology. So it plays important role. Next, it complete evaluation of newly developed product, means it find out the evaluation of older product and it compares with the new developed product. It is determination of process capabilities. See, in the process, like in a quality process, like in a production process, these are the different types of process in industry, where these all processes are capable or not, that will be find or determined with the help of metrology. So again, this is one of the objective of metrology, to standardize the measuring method. See students, each and every measurement is defined by comparing with some standard procedure, or that measurement nothing but we are comparing with some predetermined standard. So indirectly it is the standardize the measuring methods to maintain the accuracies of measurement. See, first of all you have to know the meaning of accuracy. Accuracy means we have to compare this measured quantity with predetermined value or true value. It maintains the accuracy. Next, to prepare designs for all gauges and spatial inspection fixture. So this is we are study in a limits, fits, gauges chapter. That objective will be detailed study in that chapter. So let's see the next objective. It reducing the cost of rejects and reworks to maintain the good accuracy and precision in measurement. Let's see the categories or the classification of measurement. See student, that classification of metrology is depending on the different levels of complexity and accuracy. So the first type is scientific metrology, second industrial metrology, third legal metrology, and fourth deterministic metrology. So first is the scientific metrology. It deals with organization and development of measurement standard and their maintenance. It is deeply involved with research and new technology for industries concerning government, healthcare and research for commercial product. Next is the industrial metrology. Industrial metrology is purpose to ensure that instrument used in a wide variety of industries are functioning properly. For an example of this type of metrology might be seen in the production of products for the industry, the testing and designing of aircraft, functioning of large machinery, and in factories using rotating equipment during manufacturing of their product. So next is the legal metrology. The legal metrology originated from the need to ensure fair trade, especially in the area of weights and measurement. The main objective of legal metrology is to assure citizens of correct measurement results. Legally controlled instruments should guarantee correct measurement result. Legal control instruments should guarantee correct measurement result throughout the whole period of use under working condition within given permissible error. The next is the deterministic metrology. This is a new philosophy in which the part of measurement is replaced by process measurement. In the deterministic metrology, full advantage is taken of the deterministic nature of production machine. This technology is used for very high precision manufacturing machines and control systems to obtain accuracy in terms of nanotechnology. So these all are the 4 types of metrology. So student, thank you so much. If you have any difficulty, you kindly contact on my email address. So thank you very much.